Sandy Steinman here, President of Background Checks Express, your one-stop source for accessible, accurate, and affordable background checking. In a recent video, we talked about the case of New England Motor Freight, who lost an $870,000 court case because of FCRA violations. And if that didn't scare you into being sure you're in compliance with the FCRA in your background checking, try this one on for size. And it goes right along with last week's video on whether or not to send or not send pre-adverse action notices. Domino's Pizza, everyday name, just settled a class action lawsuit for $2.5 million. And let me tell you, they got to sell a lot of pizzas to make up for that. And it's all so unnecessary. I don't get it. Listen to what it was alleged that they did. It was alleged that they pulled criminal background checks based upon the use of a release and disclosure form that they developed that they called background check and consent form. And it contained a liability release, which is a clear violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And to make it worse, the suit also alleged that Domino's took adverse employment actions against certain people without providing them with a pre-adverse action notice as required by the FCRA. You just wonder, what companies who make decisions that are clearly in violation of the FCRA are thinking? Are they thinking it'll go away? Do they think the plaintiff's attorneys are not on the lookout for easy cases like this? This is easy picking. Stay out of this kind of trouble. Don't add release of liability language to the release and disclosure form, and don't fail to send the pre-adverse action form when they're required, which is almost always. And get yourself a good background checking firm like Background Checks Express. Listen to their advice. Keep your hard-earned money. If you're an employer, I hope you'll follow this series of videos, because what you learn here could well keep you out of court. And that's our mission. If you have any question about the Fair Credit Reporting Act in general, or want to learn how we can ensure that your background checking is FCRA compliant, just call me at 844-SCREEN-NOW. That's 844-727-3366. In the meanwhile, be safe, hire safe, and I'll see you in the next video.